I have seen all the girlies with this product. If you are new to my channel, my name is Ohemaa. Welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, hey! Happy almost Thanksgiving. Yes, I know it's right around the corner. So today I wanted to go ahead and open a few advent calendar PR that I got and also some standalone stocking stuffers, or I want to say box stuffers, because you can actually put these products into your gift boxes and wrap them up and gift them because they are complete whole gifts. Okay, all the gift sets, holiday sets, and advent calendars I will be opening will be tagged right here, so definitely check that view products tag. If it is not there, I will put it down below so that you can find it. Without further ado, let's jump into opening. There is one product that I got in and I thought, oh my god, like absolutely thankful that I got this, and I feel like it would be a very good gift. This perfume though I have been seeing all over and I am so excited that they sent it to me. The Angel Elixir perfume, like I have seen this all over social media. So they sent this over to me. Thank you so much for sending this out to me. I am excited about it. This is what the packaging looks like when you get it. I have seen all the girlies with this product. I can't even smell it from outside. This packaging is so cute. It does not have a cover. The part you press is right here on the top, so you just press it down and spray. It's not bad. I don't hate it, okay? I smell something very familiar, but I don't know exactly what the scent is. Okay, it is a refillable star, so it looks like you can take the top off by the star by itself, and then you can put this back on top of it. So I went to the website so I can tell you about the notes in here, and I found out that right now they are having up to 40% off their fragrances. I feel like you can definitely buy sample sizes of these and try them out, and then if you like it, buy the full bottle, or if you just want to dive in head first because it's 40% off, then you can get the full bottles, okay? Because I love, it smells really good. Let's jump into one of my favorite hair brands. Olaplex sent over their holiday set. These are so gorgeous. It has number 3, which is what I put in, like every time I do my hair I have number 3, number 4, and number 5. This is the pre-shampoo, the shampoo, and the conditioner. This set right here will get your hair right. If you do nothing at all, these 3 will get your hair right. This kit is definitely something I will absolutely 100% hands down recommend that you get because I use it. I love it. It's in every single one of my hair routines, okay? This is the Strong Days Ahead hair kit. This retails for $55, but the products in here individually, everything will retail for $75. Olaplex number 3 tree ornament. It is so cute. How cute is this? Next, we have the Smooth Your Style hair kit. I feel like I need this kit more than anything because on my other channel, in the vlogs that I was making, I realized that the hair on my edges are very frizzy. They don't look very moisturized. So I have resigned to actually just moisturizing my hair a lot more, moisturizing the edges a lot more because it is too puffy. This one comes with number 3, number 9, number 6, and number 7. I absolutely love using the Bond Oil number 7 before I blow dry my hair. Put some in there, do that, or when I have my hair out before I go to bed, I put some on, I wrap it up, and I go to bed. So cute. Look at it. It looks like a tiny Christmas tree, right? Let's jump into LYS. Now, if you didn't know, LYS is one of the first Black woman-owned beauty brands to launch at Sephora. This is the holiday set called Higher Standards, and it has 3 satin matte cream blushes in here. Okay, so first the shade Humble, which is this color, and then we have the shade Unique, and then the shade Self-Love. Self-Love is a shimmer shade. It gives you a deep enough blush for somebody like me to be able to use. It gives you a light enough blush for somebody who is significantly lighter than me should be able to use. And it gives you like an in-between shade. Okay, now we have a few smaller sets. I'm actually wearing one of the sets on my lips right now because when I sat down, my lips were super duper duper chapped, okay? First, we have Speak Love, and Speak Love is a 2-piece lip treatment oil and moisture matte. I'm actually wearing this gloss on right now. This is the chocolate cherry lip color, and honey, if I tell you that the lip gloss smells like chocolate, it smells like chocolate. It has this dark, rich quality to it, and I am here for it, okay? Ever since I put it on, my lips haven't felt like they're chapped or anything. There's some lip oils that you put on, and after like 2 seconds, your lips are chapped and you're wondering what happened, where you can get water from so that you don't pass out from just having dry lips, right? This one is not like that. The first set that I showed you is the chocolate cherry. Next one we're gonna try is the dark chocolate set. Okay, so this is what the, ooh, my God. The lipstick is so skinny. You don't need a lot of it to show up if you don't want to be extra. This individual gloss is called dark chocolate. They all smell like chocolate. There's chocolate hazelnut and hot chocolate. Definitely check them out. The color's perfection. I think the real reason why I don't want to swatch the rest of them is because I don't want to wipe my lips off this. Like, it's very cute. I love it. Next, we have this, ooh, it's called Complete Confidence. It's a 5-piece face rhinestone brush set. Like, nothing says Christmas like a gorgeous rhinestone brush set, honey. Let's move a little bit into skincare, body care product. They sent us over an advent calendar and a few standalone products. I specifically purposefully did not put any lotion on my hands because I knew I was about to open L'Occitane and I want to try every single one of these products on my skin, okay? First, we have Almond and Flowers Milk Concentrate. It's given very old world, very old-timey type of a feel to it. I love the fact that this is a glass jar. Lightweight. Oh my God. Oh my God. It smells so good. It's not oily, but it's hydrating. Now, the advent calendar. This is the L'Occitane, and once you open it, it looks like this. What is this? What exactly is this? Like, if anybody knows what this is, please let me know down below. This L'Occitane advent calendar is definitely an introduction to luxury body care. Personally, I like L'Occitane for their body care product. If you're somebody who loves beautifully scented body care products, definitely look into this. And I absolutely also love traveling with luxury body care products. So these are definitely a must-have. Now let's go into makeup. This is the MAC Advent Calendar. When this came, I was actually shook. Okay, so these, oh, look at this, pretty. I know I'm a baby. It's okay. Just let me live. Let me live. The MAC Advent Calendar did not come like where you have to rip it open. You can just pick it up and open. So I can't really show you the top of this. So we're gonna start from whatever's in front of me to the back, not in any particular order. I started from the back after I said I was gonna start from the front. And they come wrapped, so you don't just open it and see like exactly what it is. It's wrapped up. Powder Kiss Liquid Lip Color.
Get out the way. Who got a watch? Who got the time? I'm racing the clock. Even in my feelings, grind don't stop. Got big dreams, want big rocks. I got plans, you got talk. Heard it's real cheap, but it's really gon' cost. I'm trying to get these ends, building empires with my friends. I'm about handling my business. No time for stress over bullshit.
This is gonna be in my Atrocious Lip Shade series. This is the shade Teddy. It's a Powder Kiss lipstick. It's giving me powder lips, literally. But hear me out, okay? I'm taking some of my dark chocolate. Never let anybody tell you that a lip shade was not made for you. There aren't very many dark skin makeup lovers who actually do like colorful, daring, not your average beige makeup in these content creator streets, okay? For that reason, don't let anybody tell you that there are certain shades that you can't wear, because this shade, upon first glance, and even on this first swatch, it told you that it was a shade that I clearly should stay away from, right? But tell me this does not look good. Tell me it doesn't look good, and I will probably not believe you. You just have to find the right person to help you know how to use the products that you have. And yes, I'm saying that I'm the right person. This is Love Child. It's a gloss, and it was in one of the influencer collabs. I have it. Maybe I shouldn't use it. Maybe I can give it to someone. Yeah, I'm not gonna use it. Who knew that opening advent calendars was going to be this exhausting? In my opinion, if you're going to get an advent calendar for anybody, make sure you're getting it for somebody who doesn't have anything from a specific brand so that they can try it. And if they like it, they can buy a full-size version of it. For the makeup advent calendars, I would give it to my family or my friends who don't actually have a makeup collection. It has products in here that they can use and add to their collection to help it grow. Advent calendars are a great way to get stocking stuffers. They're also a great way to gift somebody who doesn't have like a huge collection of a specific thing. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Love you lots, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.